The Klar mine, about 19 kilometers from Bangalore, is India's largest gold mine. Industrial gold mining in Klar began in the 1818s and ceased in 2001. During this time, more than 800 tons of gold were extracted from this mine, but the share of Klar in the world gold production was only 2%. About 1,360 kilometers long underground tunnels were dug to extract the precious metal gold from this mine. Gold mining from Klar started in the late 19th century, but the legend associated with it are centuries old. No one knows how much gold was mined there before, and these stories have been making their way into Indian film, as well KGF and KGF 2. And now the recently released Tamil language film Thanglang also revolves around the Kolar gold mine. There is a myth about El Dorado in Western society, and there used to a big city or kingdom of gold by the Kolar. Similarly, there are many legends about the Kolar gold field in India, even during the Gupta period in the 5th century. Venkateswamy wrote a book titled Kolar Gold Mines, published by the Geological Survey of India, in which Venkateswamy writes that this mine was also used by the Indus Valley civilizations. At one time, this region was subject to the Ganga, Chola, and Hosla and Vijayangara rules. The kingdom then came under the rules of Vijayapura later, Hyder Ali of Mysore, and Tipu Sultan. The Tipu Sultan died in the Fourth Battle of Mysore. The East Indian Company then appointed a military officer named Johan Warren to survey Mysore. When they reached the mountainous region of Arakonda, they learned that gold had been found in the region of Aragon and Marikupam. The people of this region were expert in the art of extracting gold from clay and stone. Warren decided to study the soil of the area according to the Clark gold mine looks people, and to help people from this theory and Dido communicates, agrees the help, out of which three laborers were paid on one silver coin per day. When many people were willing to invest after hearing about the gold, Johann Warren announced that a reward would be given to anyone who could find a place to mine gold. After which a man from Vericum started prospecting for gold in an incident mining site and found a large amount of gold there. Warren sent the gold standard of Madras and Chennai for testing. During testing the gold was government had no interest in the gold mining. Vehicle Level was working as a soldier in Bangalore at that time when he heard about the discovery of gold. He applied the Mysore government for permission to mine gold in Kolar. After much difficulty in 1875, Vehicle got permission to mine, but the following year he transferred this license to someone else. At that time, many people together made a huge investment of £5,000 and called it Clark Concessionaire. At first, little gold was found in the expectations, but gradually the quantity began to increase. After the Chennai and Organic Company invested £10,000, then Mysore Mines Company and then the Durga also invested after that mining started in the Kolar. In 1885, Captain Plumber began to look in a new direction for more gold in the gold mine. At Marikupam, once of gold found meter gauge railway track was laid between Bangalore and Goa in the year 1894. In the early year, mining was done by land and torch, but to speed it up, water and electricity were thought here from the nearby Sivasturam Dam. Sivastumudharam Dam, year 1902. Kolar was the first city in the South Indian to get electricity.